Are you a budding entrepreneur? And you are really passionate about your startup, and want to follow your dreams? Then what will you firstly do? You will search around for the people to help you, but wait, there are so many people, with so many services to help you. And the most frustrating question is whom to choose, because there are different people with different services, and the result will be a startup, filled with mess. So, what's the solution? Simple. You just need a one-stop solution for your startup, where you can find all the services and consultations, right from registering your startup, to making your dream website, to creating your successful online presence. So, we at Neusource, providing you the one-stop solution you need to set up a great brand. This is how we work. Firstly, we provide zero government fees business registration. The main confusion for any startup starts at the time of registration of the business, because there are so many rules and procedures to follow, and this creates the golden chances for fraudsters to make a hole in your pocket. But don't worry, our team provides you the free of cost consultation about the business registration process. We also provide a completely transparent view to you about each and every step of the registration process through regular emails and SMS. And after the complete registration process, final document is sent to your home. After that, we help you deal with different business compliances. A business has to follow different compliances to make it a legal game. But as a businessman, if you have to deal with GST, TDS, accounting, etc. by yourself, then who will handle your business? So our goal here is to make you stress-free from these legal issues, and our team will take care about everything related to GST, TDS, accounting, income tax, ROC, etc. And apart from these services, we are here to create a successful online and offline presence of your business. We focus on developing an aura of your products and services in front of targeted audience, so that your business can leverage the power of digital world and reach up to the masses. Do you know that all the successful businesses in the history had a wow factor, competitive advantage, an exciting success story, and the knowledge of real needs of the targeted customers? And friends, Neusource team is excited to add these super successful factors to your business, and increasing your business aura in both offline and digital world. Any kind of business in this time needs strong online presence, whether it's in the form of a website or social media pages. But friends, a dull-looking website can cause much harm to your business, because if a visitor on your website don't like it in first attempt, he or she is not going to come on the website in the future again. That's why Neusource team have the best skilled website developers to develop a stunning website for your business, so that the visitors gets attracted towards your websites, and you can earn lots of happy customers. But you might be wondering why you should choose Neusource to grow your business. Let me tell you why. Neusource is awarded amongst top 25 most promising business consultants in India, listed by Consultants Review magazine in December 2014. We are so customer-centric that our qualified professionals provide in-house service according to your choices. Our team consists of highly qualified professionals of different fields, like lawyer, tax expert, video editor, web designer, content writer, web developer, digital marketer, graphic designer, company secretary, chartered accountant, management consultant, and we have a Google rating of 4.7. And last but not the least, Neusource provides money-back guarantee services to you with no hidden charges. We are on a mission to convert your startup into an established business in 3 months. And that's why we offer you multiple services at absolutely zero cost. Like free workshop on every Saturday for startup entrepreneur, and we have a bumper service package for you of worth rupee 47,888 for absolutely zero cost. So friends, hurry up to convert your business dreams into a living experience. Contact us at our website or email us. And you can also visit our other branches in Delhi, Mumbai, Hyderabad, Kolkata and Bangalore.